Okay. Now we will the next topic that we have is called as concentration cells. Okay. Okay. Now in concentration cell, I've drawn a basic setup, but the difference as compared to normal cell is, let's say हमारे पास ये electrode है. This is made from zinc dipped in a solution of ZnSO4. Zinc rod जो ZnSO4 के solution में dipped है, and let's say the concentration over here ZnSO4 का concentration हम लिखते हैं C1. The other electrode जो दूसरा electrode है हमारे पास, even that is zinc rod. और ये भी किस पे डिप्ट है पीपल? सेम ZnSO4 सॉल्यूशन में. ओनली डिफरेंस इज यहाँ पे ZnSO4 का कॉन्सेंट्रेशन इज C2. सो बोथ द एनोड एंड कैथोड इज मेड ऑफ द सेम इलेक्ट्रोड. क्या डिफरेंस है? कॉन्सेंट्रेशन ऑफ द ZnSO4 एनोड का सोल्यूशन एंड कॉन्सेंट्रेशन ऑफ द कैथोड का सोल्यूशन. इधर तक विथ मी? ओके. Now, can someone give me इसका सेल रिप्रेजेंटेशन? हम इसका सेल रिप्रेजेंटेशन कैसे लिखेंगे? Zn2 plus salt bridge, Zn2 plus and Zn. But what is the molarity here? और कैथोड में जो सोल्यूशन उसकी मोलारिटी क्या है? C2. Now I want to write Nernst equation for this. Before Nernst equation, अगर we write the equation at the cathode, तो कैथोड पे क्या रिएक्शन हो रहा है? रिडक्शन रिएक्शन. Zn2 plus 2 electrons becoming Zn. कैथोड पे रिडक्शन होता है. What is the concentration of this? C2. एनोड पे क्या हो रहा है पीपल? ऑक्सीडेशन. क्या रिएक्शन होगा? ऑक्सीडेशन रिएक्शन. Zn becoming Zn2 plus plus. And what is the concentration Zn2 plus का यहाँ पे? C1. Give me the overall reaction. Zn2 plus concentration C2 giving me Zn2 plus concentration C1. Any questions still here? अब इसका Nernst equation कैसे लिखेंगे हम? E cell is E naught cell minus 0.0592 over how much is N यहाँ पे? 2 log of ओवरऑल रिएक्शन में प्रोडक्ट में कौन है पीपल? Zn2 प्लस, बट कॉन्सेंट्रेशन क्या है उसका? C1 अपॉन रिएक्टेंट कॉन्सेंट्रेशन क्या है पीपल? C2. विथ मी? E naught cell, हाउ डू यू फाइंड E naught cell? E naught कैथोड माइनस E naught. अब एनोड और कैथोड दोनों सेम है, एंड हेंस फॉर कॉन्सेंट्रेशन सेल्स E naught cell कितना होता है? 0. Substitute that. E cell is equal to 0 minus 0.0296 log of C1 upon C2. क्या E cell is minus 0.0296. I want a condition under which this cell will be spontaneous. I want this cell to work. मैं चाहता हूँ कि ये cell function करे. How will I make this cell function? If C2 is greater than C1. If C2 is greater than C1, this term will become negative. Negative into negative. E cell will be positive, or we can say that the cell will be so by keeping the anode and cathode same, all you have to do is आप concentration vary करो, you can have a spontaneous cell. Such cells are called as concentration cells. Did you people get that? एक और example. Let's say I have standard hydrogen electrode as cathode, this is SHE as anode, and same SHE as cathode. Let's say the pressure here is P1, pressure here is P2. Let's say concentration यहाँ पे भी 1 molar, यहाँ पे भी concentration 1 molar. Can someone tell me cathode पे सबसे पहले क्या reaction होगा? This is cathode. किसी को reaction याद है तो 2H plus 2E minus becomes H2 gas. यहाँ पे pressure क्या है? P2. Concentration कितनी है? 1 molar. Anode पे क्या reaction होगा? The same thing, opposite. H2 gas is 2H plus 2E minus. यहाँ पे pressure क्या है लेकिन P1, और यहाँ पे concentration पे है 1 molar. What is the overall reaction? How will overall reaction look like? H2 gas at P1, because बाकी सारे cancel हो जाएंगे. This is 1 molar, this is 1 molar, 2 electrons. ये cancel क्यों नहीं होगा? Because what's the pressure here? P1. What's the pressure here? So H2 gas, P2. Give me Nernst equation now. E cell will be, can I directly write 0 because E naught cell 0 होने वाला है, minus 0.0592 upon 2 log of product कौन है? P2 upon, same question, I want this cell to function. Excellent. So if P1 is greater than, E cell will be greater than, or the cell will be did you people get that? Same cell. Instead of P1 P2, let's say this is 1 ATM, ये भी है 1 ATM, but this is C1 C2. Can someone give me directly the equation for E cell? Minus 0.0296 log of, excellent, C2 upon C1. And यहाँ पे spontaneity के लिए C1 should be greater than, then E cell will be greater than 0. Yeah, the cell will be spontaneous. Did you people get that? These are concentration cell. We'll do one numerical in concentration cell. Okay. Next, people, we have a numerical here based on concentration cell. Left side of the electrode may check the solution. We have 0.1 molar NH4OH and 0.1 molar NH4Cl. राइट हैंड साइड का जो सेल है, दो इट्स एन SHE, but the solution is 0.01 molar of CH3COO Na. Kn Kb वैल्यू दिया है and we have to find E cell. ठीक है, they've not directly given us H plus, थोड़ा सा घुमा फिरा के दिया है. If you look at the first solution, solution A is 0.1 molar NH4OH. Can someone identify क्या है ये? NH4OH plus NH4Cl. Excellent. It's a combination of a weak base and a salt of weak base and a strong acid. क्या बोलते थे हम इसको? Excellent. It's a basic buffer. And pOH for a basic buffer is given as pKb plus log of concentration of salt over concentration of the base. अब यहाँ पे क्या है? Both the salt and base, they are the same concentration, 0.1 and 0. तो ये तो 0 हो जाएगा. So we'll get pOH is equal to pKb. How much is Kb का value given? 10 raised to minus 5. So pKb is how much? 5. तो pOH 5 मिला, तो pH कितना हो गया people? pH plus pOH is 14. So pH बन गया 9. If pH is 9, H plus का concentration will be 10 raised to minus 9. First solution में H plus मिल गया, यदि H plus at anode is 10 raised to minus 9 molar. Similarly, when we come on this side, solution B is made up of 0.01 molar CH3CONA, sodium acetate. ये क्या है? This is a salt of weak acid and strong base. Can anyone tell me how do you find pH for a salt of weak acid and strong base? 7. Excellent. 7 plus half pKb, strong base है pKa. Excellent. Plus half log C. So 7 plus half. K दिया है 10 raised to 5. तो pKa कितना होता है? नेगेटिव log Ka. नेगेटिव log 10 raised to minus 5. तो कितना हो गया वो? 5 plus half into log C. Concentration of salt कितना दिया है? 0.01. तो वो कितना हो जाएगा people? 10 raised to minus 2 लिख सकते हैं. 10 raised to minus 2 हो गया. वो कितना हो जाएगा फिर? 7 plus 2.5 minus 1. तो 2 आ गया. So ये कितना हो गया? 8.5. If pH is 8.5, how much is H plus का concentration? 10 raised to minus, ये मिल गया हमें कैथोड के H plus का concentration, which is 10 raised to minus 8.5. Any questions still here? अब हमें directly formula में apply करना है. Can someone give me the formula? Concentration अगर दिया है तो हमने concentrate for SHE क्या formula derive किया था? It was somewhere here, ये ना? E cell is minus 0.0296 log of C1 upon C2. C1 was the concentration of anode, C2 was the concentration of cathode. So E cell will be minus 0.0296 log of concentration of anode upon concentration of cathode, which is minus 0.0296 into log of anode का concentration 10 raised to cathode का concentration 10 raised to minus, that minus 8.5 goes ऊपर becomes plus, so ये हो जाएगा log of 10 raised to minus 0.5 जो आगे आ गया. So E cell minus 0.0296 into minus 0.5 log 10. log 10 eventually क्या बनने वाला है 1. So final answer E cell will be 0.0296 into मतलब half of this 0.0148 volts. Did people get that? ठीक है. So this was concentration cell. Next class we will first start with reference electrode. If possible reference electrode का direct notes भेज दूंगा because it's very simple theory. And or we may probably start with electrolytic cells. That completes 1/3 of the chapter. ठीक है. Thank you.